The next step is software commissioning, which starts with loading the user program into the controller. This requires the programming device to be online and the CPU to be in stop mode. We open the offline project, which is located on the hard disk of the programming device, and select the station as well as the block container. The block container contains all runnable blocks of the user program. Pressing the Download to Target System button, we now transmit all blocks into the user memory of the CPU. If, for example, during later commissioning phases, only a selection of blocks are to be loaded into the CPU, the Schematic Manager gives you the opportunity of viewing the blocks on the programming device in the offline window, and the blocks in the CPU memory in the online window. With drag and drop, you drag the desired blocks from the offline window to the online window of the CPU and perform the selective load procedure. To continue commissioning the software, please ensure that no dangerous machine or plant states can occur, and switch the CPU to run mode. Select the dialog for the operating mode via the Target System menu and start the CPU via mouse click. If the current operating mode changes to run, you can then start testing the functions. If the CPU remains in stop mode, the diagnostic buffer gives you specific information on the cause of the error. The diagnostic buffer provides one of the most important aids to system diagnostics. It can be used for reliably diagnosing and localizing errors in the program, and also the hardware during the commissioning phase as well as later plant operation. The diagnostic buffer is located in the system memory of the CPU and can be read any time with the Schematic Manager. In the diagnostic buffer, which is designed as a ring buffer, all important events are saved. For instance, module failures, operating mode transitions of the CPU, or, for example, errors in the user program leading to stop mode. If during commissioning the CPU changes to stop mode, the cause of this will be given to you in the diagnostic buffer, which you access in the Schematic Manager via the module information of the CPU. In the displayed Information Status window of the CPU, you select the Diagnostic Buffer tab. The stop message is given at the top of the event list. Below, you see the message with the error that caused the stop. In the lower window, the Schematic Manager gives you further information on the error search as plain text. In our case, the diagnostics entry shows you the failure of the Profibus station number 3. The cause of the stop is removed by switching on the Profibus station and restarting the CPU. If, as in our next example, the error is caused by the user program, for example, access to a non-existing module address, then you can jump directly to the faulty block. The diagnostic buffer thus enables you to directly and effectively find the error and to remove it. The stop cause of the faulty I/O access is, in our example, directly removed in the block online, so that after restart, the CPU is now in run mode and runs without errors. The successfully corrected block should finally be transmitted from the CPU to the offline project.